You think some money grow up on tree over here?
You're in the mix with DJ Slick.
Anything but Monday.
It's serious. How Jabba sleep, tell him to wake up.
People, me have something to talk about. True story that is.
No, my loyal viewers and subscribers. Many times me come across some video when me see some people come out and express them situation. And me see the trauma where them a go through. Me see the struggles where them a face. Because how is it that a man a go take up $100 and send to a Jamaican, and you want to tell me say you don't appreciate the $100 that was sent to you? You know where a person a go through? You know where a person have to do to send you that $100, and you want to tell me say you as a Jamaican you don't appreciate the struggle where the person have to do to send you that $100? No man, it hurt me most of the time, man. Some of other people not for sorry for you, none at all.
True story that is. A Bridget called me 2 days ago. And him said to me, say, boy, yo, you know, me a beg a little thing. See? And I say, me go see what I can do for you. So, me go so boom and send the man $100. Right? Granted, you know, in a month. And the bills them pile up. And I say, let me try to help out the brother here. Because, you know things stay in Jamaica. And I tell you, say, when I send the man the money, man call me back. And I think, say, boy, I go here. Boy, respect you, man. Thanks, man. I respect everything we do. I respect, you send the money. That was not the response that I get. You know what the man said to me? The man said, Jaja, yo, you can't send me some more money, dog. A little bit of money that. I say, what is wrong with your brother? I say, yo, you think some money grow up on tree over here? I say, brother, you know how hard me work for the $100 there? I say, yo, I go send the money they go give you. And you tell me, say you want more money, brother. Yo, you know how hard America is? Eh? Yo, let me tell the people of Jamaica, for all who are listening, when you come to America, if you get a chance to come back and live here, and you see how things work and operate, so it's not easy over here, brother. You understand? People work hard, people work 2, 3 jobs just to make ends meet. Not cheap over here, so brother. You know, so Jamaica hard, but not cheap over here. Yeah, so not different, It's just the currency different, that's it. I no work here.
It's serious. How Jabba sleep, tell him to wake up.